Hey everybody, today we're going to be making Newt Scamander's wand from Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. My wife got me one of these Behind the Magic of the filmmaking books, and inside it had a little bit about Newt Scamander's wand from the prop makers, and here's a photo of it here. It's kind of what I was going off of, which I also have the Noble Collection replica as well. But just a couple interesting things on here. They ended up making it out of ash wood, and they simulated a sandworm shell for the handle. And then there's that little opening, it's like it wraps around the ash wood. And you'll see at one point I actually used a little polishing wheel and buffed out the handle, and then used the mother of pearl for the silver on the inside. And the prop department had said that initially they wanted to do something with like bone or leather, but each of the actors get a little bit of say in their character's wand, and Eddie Redmayne said that he didn't think that Newt would stand for something like that, and so they ended up going with the more of a simple design with the shell. And it's actually one of the wands that I really like from the series, even though it's super basic, and I normally like ones that are a little more ornate or complex, but it has a lot of weathering to it, and it's really cool. And despite its face value of looking very simple, isn't actually the easiest one to make if you're trying to get it to look just like it. So also, I did lose a little bit of the staining video, so sorry about that. Wasn't all that cool or interesting, but I'll try and make sure I get that in the next ones that I make. But somehow I lost it. But other than that, you'll get to see a time lapse of me making this wand, so let's get started. I hope you all enjoyed the video. It was a really fun one to make, and I want to make a million more. I'm going to try and do every single one from the series. So I need you to like, share, and comment, and please subscribe. It'll help us a ton. And then in the comments below for all the different wands that you'd like to see me make next, try and pick one from Fantastic Beasts. I'm going to be doing those this month. We were able to see the premiere. My wife got us tickets and we went to an early premiere, and we met a lot of people there. It was really cool. People were pretty stoked to find out that we're full-time wand makers. We handed out a lot of business cards, and whenever we go to events, we try and take some extra wands and give them out for free. So we had some people that were pretty excited, and it was a lot of fun. But yeah, we want to do the different Fantastic Beast wands. So I just had a few right here. I got Queenies, Percival's, and or Seraphinas. So any of them are open. The second Fantastic Beast has a lot of really cool wands. I'm pretty sure my favorite in that one is probably Nicholas Flamel's, and then what's his name? Dumbledore's wand before he gets the Elder Wand. So comment on which one you want to see me make next, and I'll add those all up together and decide what video we're doing next. But thanks. See you next time. Hey everybody.